yoga path, the relaxation technique is very, very important. If you see a person who is coming out of gym, a person who is coming out of yoga class, you will see a gym person is fully tired, but a person who is coming from yoga class is physically not tired, mentally not tired. You will see glowing face, smiling face. Why? Because of relaxation technique. Relaxation is a science. So the relaxation techniques plays very, very important role for any human. A relaxed mind, only peaceful mind. If mind is not relaxing, you are a disturbed mind. So a relaxed mind is always peaceful. The next formula, a peaceful mind is always happy. Remember this, listen multiple times, you get it. So that is the reason our students from Bodhi Yoga Academy, and at the end of the session, whether it is a 2-hour session, 1-hour session, they feel so happy. Yeah, if you are not teaching relaxation techniques, means you are teaching exercise. Please, I request every yoga teacher, at least 10 minutes relaxation is mandatory. Okay, thank you.